So this could be my biggest financial mistake ever, but could also be my best one. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek. Welcome to the channel. If you are into making money, investing in real estate, and building your net worth, then please subscribe below. It's only gonna help you learn how to make more money. So as you may know, our real estate market is currently at all-time highs. Because we have such low interest rates given by the government and all the lending institutions, we have a lot of people out there looking to buy houses. So I have thought about it a lot, and I think I've made a decision to list 2 of my rentals, which account to 6 of my rental units. These are actually 2 triplexes right next door to each other, kind of like a mirror image, duplexes in the front, single family homes in the back. The first thing you're probably thinking is, oh, okay, so the market's high, he's gonna sell. But really, let me tell you what's transpired over the last 3.5 years of owning these properties. Actually, a little bit over 3.5. Basically, I have done a lot of value add. And I talked about this in my last video, that if you're going to get into real estate investing, you have to have an eye out for possibilities of adding value. So for example, one of the biggest changes I have made is that I have taken 6 units worth of electrical costs that were paid by the landlord, and I have passed them on to the tenants by installing sub-meters and also installing separate meters built directly by our utility company, Florida Power and Light. Let me tell you, this change alone has netted me more than $800 per month. If you're liking this video and these kind of videos, just please click the like button. All it takes is a moment and you might be blessed with more education from me, because YouTube is gonna know you love to learn about making money. Another thing that I have done to add a lot of value is that I have actually remodeled 2 of the units completely, and I mean from top to bottom, everything has been redone. One of them even has brand new electric all throughout. So you may be asking, why is this one of the worst financial decisions? Well, we don't know. That's really the deal. Because I just want to stress the importance that when you're buying and selling real estate, you don't know what the future will hold. So I don't know if these properties are going to keep increasing in value because the Fed might be decreasing the interest rates. And I did not expect that during March and April that they were going to decrease the interest rates to the level that they did. And then late summer, they did the same thing again. And then we had interest rate between 2 and 3%. It was just unbelievable. And in the last 2 weeks, we have had interest rates increase just slightly. So most people that were shopping for a home at this certain price can now afford just a little bit less. And I don't know what the future holds, but what I do know is one thing, is that I had found an unbelievable deal. I put a lot of work into it. I've improved it quite a bit. It looks a lot better than it did when I purchased it. I've added value to the future landlords and myself in the meantime. And now I think I want to part, because I don't know what the future holds, but I want to be ready, sitting with a large amount of cash, ready to seize an opportunity. Now, whether that's a stock market crash, which we've had going on for about 6 days, we've had big changes in the stock market going down, or if it's another real estate deal that just comes my way that needs a cash buyer. So this will be the worst decision ever if the market keeps increasing. Now, right now we are at all-time low inventory levels, which means that there's very few homes for sale and lots of buyers out there trying to buy something. Therefore, naturally, the prices go up. And while these prices are up, I would like to seize on capitalizing on my investment and waiting for that unbelievable opportunity. You know, one more thing I did with these 2 triplexes is an issue I had with code enforcement. So just real quick to run down what happened is that I had the county reach out to me and give me big fat notices on my doors. And basically the notices said I have to tear down one of the units. Unbeknownst to me, the zoning for the properties, there's 2 of them side by side, was for duplexes only. And now they're saying you have 3 units, please demolish one of the units. I was shocked, and what I did is I went and I hired an attorney to go fight my case for me, and thankfully we got an administrative decision to allow this usage of the 3 units for me or any future owners. I did not get a zoning variance or a special exception for zoning. I just got a piece of paper that is registered and recorded in the county that basically says, as long as these structures stay the same, I'm good. and any future user is also good. As you can imagine, this is a very big value add. So one thing I will mention is do your due diligence when you're buying duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes. Make sure that the zoning actually allows for this, because some sellers will say that it's grandfathered in. And let me tell you something, that whole grandfathering terminology is really misused. Ask for evidence of grandfathering, and that's exactly what I have now. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I recommend please click this link right here. It's a video showing you about credit scores and how to better your credit score, how to dig deep and eliminate the bad and improve your credit score so that you can go out and buy a property.